on productivity tips for XAML developer. There are a few tips which I'll be giving. Maybe most of the developers might be aware of it. There might be few surprises, so maybe this would be a brush up session. So I have created a WPF application, and this is the default view what we get. And whatever you see here is the swap pan, where you can swap the order of the view. On top is the design and bottom is the code. If I click on it, the area gets swapped, but most of us doesn't like it, so I'll keep it. So this is one thing. And currently we are in split view, and it's a horizontal split, as you can see here. And if you're not comfortable with it because of your resolution or your screen size, then you can go for a vertical split, where you can parallelly edit something, and you can see the difference, something like that. Text equal to, as you can see, you can type and you can see stuff. So this is a horizontal view, and there is a third one which is collapse pan, where you can either have a design view or completely a code view. And I'm comfortable in using this view, so I prefer to use it. Let's say if we add another window or a user control, though I have selected the code view, but it is still opening it in a split view when I create a new window. So how do we solve it? We go to tools, click on options, scroll to the end. You can see a XAML designer general, where the default document view is split view. So instead of the split view, you can change it to design view or source view, whichever is comfortable. In case if you are picking a split view again, you can pick whether it is a vertical or horizontal, since we are talking only about source view. So I'll click on source view and click OK. Now I'll go ahead and create a new window and user control, probably user control 2, and it opens it in a source view. Probably you can keep the settings as such, which will help you always in opening a new window. So this is one part. Another is, say have a text block, name equal to text block 1 width 100, height 60, horizontal alignment center, vertical alignment top, and background orange. As you can see, when you enter new properties, it keeps scrolling to the left. So at one point of time you cannot see all these. In some cases, if you have toolbox opened, it is not a clear view to see everything. If it's a lengthy XAML file where all gets expanded, sometimes developers used to put it manually. After whatever their view is, they used to split it manually, all that stuff. So how can you automate it? You go to tools, options, text editor. Under XAML you can find formatting. Under that, spacing is there, and this is the default option for all Visual Studio installation. Insert a single space between attribute, which is what we used to have, a single space between each attribute. So instead of this, you can go for position each attribute on a separate line, which means for each set of attribute a new line is paired. And this tick option is positioning the first attribute on the same line as start tag. So in that case, say if I create a new user control, click on it and I put it. As you can see, each attribute is paired with the new line. So this gives a better readability option. And how do you format for the existing ones? So go to edit, advanced, and say format document. So based on the options, it gets formatted. So this will maintain a uniformity across all the developers. That's it for today. Thank you.